Vortex Gaming over here, and today I'm going to be doing a pack opening. So it's going to be a pretty short video, but at least I'm going to be opening up some good packs. So Brees Legend Collectible. Okay, got it. Legend Brees. Okay. Now, large quick sell. You can either get, the lowest is 1,000, the highest is 1 million. So 3, 2, 1. I got 10,000, guys. Still good. And I spent a pretty good amount of trophies. I spent 5 bronze, 5 silver, and 4 gold. So, I just wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to just do it. I wanted to make a video on it. I just wanted to show you guys those 2 things that I got. So, leave a like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. I'm gonna go for 5 likes, and please subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.